Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide target and invalidation levels for the present count. Let's get going. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different counts that I got here. One that I haven't shared before, which is the local pool. But before that, let's go through these ones that we have seen and just take a look at what we have here. Now on this one, we have said that we have completed a W, X and Y pattern here, possibly ending a wave 4, after which we could have started something new here. I've labeled this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1 or an A wave, and then we are thinking that the wave 2 was here as an ABC, but again, we got this really weird structure here that kind of caught me off guard. Wasn't definitely not expecting this. Mainly because both of these ABC is really large, the C wave, ABC here, again, it is really large. Now, whether you're going to be calling this structure here in the middle an ABC or a WXY, I don't really care too much, to be honest. Here, if we are calling it a wave C that I've labeled as, we have to call one of these wicks a wave 4, which I don't like, but again, saying that this is a WXY has its own issues. Again, we could be saying that have an A, B and C, but yeah, wave 4 is still one of these wicks, so it doesn't really matter. In this count, however, I'm going to be willing to say that this is a 1, 2 here. I'm not willing to say that this is a 1, 2 here and having another 1, 2, just because we don't have the wave 4 here, nor do we have a really clear structure here, plus the retracement we got here for the possible wave 2 here would have gotten so much higher than we would have anticipated that I'm not willing to say that, at least at the moment. Now, that is the reason I'm having a wave 2 or wave B here and now looking for downwards movement for the wave C. Yeah, that's pretty much it. For the C wave or third wave, we would be looking for lower targets, at least taking out these lows here for the C wave, which is going to be the closer targets for that one. Now, I am still in my shorts here. I did not get stopped out. I had my profits taken here, and my stop is above these highs here. So I'm still in 3 of my 6 short positions, Bitcoin one of them, and 2 different altcoins still. I'm not going to be willing to open another trade here until something has proven to be, at least given us more guidelines and explanation of what this is actually. This is my best bet at the moment though for this count. So yeah, this definitely does not really look good of a structure here. I'm not sure what to call even this. Is this a 1, 2, another 1, 2 perhaps, or an expanding diagonal? I'm not sure. So we have to see how this develops before analyzing it too much. Next one is saying that we have a W, X and Y to be completed somewhere up here. For the Y wave, or the A wave of this Y wave, we are saying that we have a 5-way sequence, which makes this structure a zigzag, or yeah, for this, yeah, a zigzag. Let's keep it that simple. Here we could have had a ABC, another ABC, and now we would have had this a bit smaller of an ABC, completing possibly something here with the wave Y or wave C. Again, if we are having the wave C here, we don't really have the wave 4 here. We just don't have it. If we are having wave X here, we could be having this ABC, and this would be ABC, ABC, and then some kind of move here. That is still unclear. So I'm leaning more towards the WXY, where we would have this as an A, B, and C coming down here. Just to complete this structure. 1-to-1 of this structure here. How am I doing this? There we go. Yeah. So starting from here to the end of W to X right here, we can see 1-to-1 is basically here. We do have some kind of support here and higher time frame targets as well. So overall, we don't want to see the B wave here get past 28.6k, which again we have corrected more than 85.4%, in which case again we would be qualified as a flat. So that is something that we don't want here. After completing this structure, we would be looking for the wave C as a five wave sequence upwards for the wave Y to complete it. Now let's take a look at the last structure that I have here, the local bull. I haven't introduced this before because it has had issues, and definitely it still has issues, but let's take a look at it anyway. A three-way structure into A, well, not a three-way structure. We would have to, have five-way structure in here. So either we have it here as a truncated, or we have it here for some 1-2 down here that we just don't see, at least on 15 or 20 minute. We would have to completely dig it out of these things here, but yeah, this is a bit of a stretch. So having this said, we still meet the minimum requirement here of the 0.618 of extension here. So yeah, as you see, that qualifies this as a 1. Then we would be looking for wave 2, where we would have this complex WXY, zigzag, a flat and a zigzag. Then we would have a look for the third wave, A, B and C. Definitely can fit 5 waves in here somehow. And then as wave 3 is smaller than wave 1 here, according to this extension here, we know that wave 4 has to be smaller than wave 2. Now invalidation here is at this 1-to-1 here, and we have already gone pretty close to it, not too close. 28.8k is the maximum we can go down below to, but at that point again we are really close. 5 waves in here as mentioned before, some kind of wave B, and then 5 waves we would have to count here for the wave C to get us some kind of a zigzag pattern. For the last 5 waves, the 5th wave here, we would be again looking for that last zigzag, which we have possibly made the A wave for, possibly made the wave B. This last section again is really hard to count. Maybe we have this as a zigzag here as well, or some kind of flat. But again, it is the middle part of this this zigzag, meaning the B wave here, a 3-way structure in any case. And then we would be looking for 5 waves to complete the wave C, to complete this wave 5 of this possible leading diagonal. Maximum, if we have this as a wave 4 here, we would go to 33.8k. Again, if we go higher than that, then this structure is wrong. But that is pretty much everything I wanted to share today. If you have another account you would like to share or have an opinion for, there's a link to my Discord server in the description below as well. If you would like me to update a certain other asset, let me know as well in the comments below, and I just might do that. But for now, I thank you for watching and hopefully see you on the next video. Bye bye.